Hello, my name is Riley Bertoy, and today I will be presenting the topic of space tourism. What is space tourism? Space tourism is generally focused on space travel and how it impacts our planet. Space tourism is the practice of traveling into space for mainly commercial purposes, but rather a testing ground for all future missions, including leisure and recreational use. Some launches are used for testing, but most are actual missions. Norm states, suborbital, orbital, and/or even lunar tourism is primarily seen as a testing ground, a profitable waypoint, or a subsidiary activity to the larger mission. In this way, then, the new frontiers of space are contesting the very idea of what tourism is and what role it serves. There are plenty of benefits for space tourism, as these include new jobs that will open up with the growth of space tourism, including STEM opportunities and aerospace and engineering programs. This will provide a way for our future with technological advancements from the past test flights, such as reusing rocket boosters and equipment for more flights. Future possibilities also include being able to travel in space for more individuals so they can experience it. Safety is also a large aspect for the willingness to go up to space, and with this, having the right safety requirements will keep everyone safe. Now, there are several negative impacts on space tourism, but the most important ones I have found have been crucial to our planet's climate. These issues include rockets releasing carbon and other pollutants into the air. And more of spatial pollution has been on the rise with many rocket launches that have been taking place recently. Attached is a diagram showing the rise in carbon dioxide and pollutions from launches and re-entry flights during 2020 to 2022. So, how has this been managed over the past couple of years? This also points to space travel being restricted to some. Currently, space travel is also available only to the wealthy few and is expensive as it gets to travel on a space flight, leading to many who can't experience it. Jones talks about the drive within the space industry. As with anything commercial, money drives the goal. Exploration and new technologies and medical advances may be all ultimate goals, as well as but financial incentives often get things moving. End quote. Space tourism has been a unique advancement to our generation as a whole. The history that we have faced in the past has been monumental for our mankind. So many challenges and setbacks have more or less told us that even though we might have these problems in the future, we still move forward no matter what. And with that, space tourism has been a unique advancement in our generation. But can we make it better? Davenport states that Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin test flights have been somewhat of a setback, as the company suffered an engine failure on a flight that ended with the capsule's emergency escape system blasting away from it, which crashed in the West Texas desert in 2024. End quote. This took place in 2024, but just showcases the issues companies may face. As issues may arise in the industry, some companies should rather focus on making space flights more affordable to more individuals. A recent celebrity spaceflight, only lasting a total of 11 minutes, turned rather controversial to some. This not only showed the public that an all-woman spaceflight can be brought to space, but also shows yet again that it is only available to the wealthy individuals at this time. Going up to space also means you have to be quite acquainted with the challenges that come with it. Ernstine provided a feeling of space sickness. Microgravity, for example, which is deemed as space sickness, which comprises nausea, a general feeling of malaise, and often actual vomiting occurs early in a flight and is greatly aggravated by rapid movements of the head. End quote. To conclude, I think there needs to be a solution for space tourism to be for all and not just the wealthy few. But most importantly, it raises concerns and some critical questions about accessibility. To create a solution going forward, companies should disclose the environmental impact each mission makes, and the focus on more sustainability plans for the future. Ultimately, the mission must be important as a whole to grow and push forward in the space industry, and realistically, we must prioritize missions that really serve a greater purpose and expand our horizons to truly discover the deeper reality of space exploration. Thank you.